Download the app from the Play Store or App Store. Open the app and create a profile using your mobile number. Sign up by entering your name and mobile number. Check the Terms and Conditions box and click Register. Decide whether you want to set a PIN. Verify your OTP to complete the registration. Use the mobile number you registered with to log in. Enter your PIN and verify it. Tap the 3 lines menu icon in the top left corner of the app and select View Profile. From the profile page, click on Manage Vehicles. Then tap the plus symbol at the bottom right corner of the screen. A form will open asking for vehicle type, 2W, 3W, LMV, 4W, HMV, vehicle number, manufacturer, model. Fill in all the details and click Submit. Alternatively, to add money in advance, tap the 3-line menu icon at the top left corner and select Wallet. Click Add to top up your wallet with the desired amount. You will be redirected to a payment gateway like Razorpay to complete the transaction. Once your wallet is funded, return to the home screen or map page. Select a nearby charging station and pick a connector. Use the slider to select the amount of charge you want.
Insert the gun into your vehicle.
Tap Pay and start within 15 seconds to begin the charging session. A message will confirm that your booking is successful, and the system will initiate the charging process. The screen will show a status of the charging session, including energy consumed, duration of the charge, current state of charge, SOC of your vehicle for DC chargers only.